Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two incredible cameras, the Canon EOS M200 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. If you're in the market for a new camera, you'll definitely want to stick around till the end of this video. But before we begin, if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews like this. Alright, let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the Canon EOS M200 is priced at $549, while the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 comes in at $798. Keep in mind that these prices may vary slightly, so make sure to check the latest prices before making your decision. Both cameras offer excellent value for the features they bring to the table. In terms of image quality, both cameras deliver stunning results. The Canon EOS M200 boasts a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, while the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a large 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor. Regardless of your choice, you can expect sharp, detailed images that will truly capture the moment. If you're someone who loves shooting videos, both cameras have got you covered. The Canon EOS M200 supports 4K video and 4K time-lapse movie recording, perfect for capturing those breathtaking moments. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 not only offers 4K video, but also oversamples it from 6K, resulting in exceptionally detailed footage with no pixel binning. It's a fantastic option for vloggers and content creators. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras excel in their own ways. The Canon EOS M200 features fast and accurate Dual Pixel CMOS AF with eye detection AF, ensuring your subjects are always in focus. Similarly, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 utilizes advanced autofocus technology to track subjects effortlessly. You can trust both cameras to deliver tack-sharp focus in any situation. In terms of convenience and connectivity, both cameras offer great options. The Canon EOS M200 has a 3.0-inch touch panel LCD screen with a tilt option of 180 degrees, perfect for taking selfies or vlogging. It also has built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi technology for easy image transfer. Meanwhile, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 allows for easy live streaming with a single USB cable, making it a fantastic choice for content creators looking to share their work instantly. And there you have it, a detailed comparison of the Canon EOS M200 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. Both cameras offer incredible features and capabilities, so the choice ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and requirements. We hope this review has helped you make a more informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching.